Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over with you how to unarchive contacts that you may have archived in your command database. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that I have a contact in the archives. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly just archive a couple here. So we'll go ahead and archive these two. Now, once I've archived those contacts, I want to head into my settings. So I want to click the drop down next to my name in the top right corner, and I want to go into settings. Now, once I'm in settings, I want to click this drop down for command settings, and I want to click the drop down for contacts. Now, once I'm there, you're going to see that we have the option for contact archive. If we go ahead and click on that, you're going to see that we have two contacts archived. You're going to see the date that they were archived, and then we have the option to restore one of them, delete them. You can select both, and you can restore both or delete both. In this case, we want to go ahead and restore so that they are returned to our contacts in the command platform. Now, this can take a second to update. Usually, if you click off of it and click back, you'll see that those have been removed. And then if we go into our contacts, they should be back in here, okay? And you can see a few seconds ago they were updated, so we know those are the two that we just restored. So that is how you unarchive contacts. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. That email is support@scotlandmarketing.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.